Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today I'm going to share Panchamrit recipe with you since we have Krishna Janmashtami coming up soon, and this Panchamrit is must in all the puja and ritual ceremonies. Whenever we have any puja, we make Panchamrit. So let's proceed to make Panchamrit. To make Panchamrit, we have taken half cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, ghee little bit about 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, honey 1 tablespoon and few tulsi leaves. Let's start mixing. Take a bowl and pour the milk as much as you require. I have taken about half cup and mixing the yogurt into it. Now the ingredients depend on your preference. It's just approximately you have to mix everything. Little bit of ghee, sugar as you like. I am mixing 1 teaspoon and honey. Mix everything with a spoon. Stir it until the sugar is dissolved completely. This is the Panchamrit we make when we perform any puja rituals. In South India, they also mix little bit of mashed banana. That really tastes very good. Living in South, my grandmother also used to mix some banana. Do give that also a try. But today I am keeping it the traditional way, just 5 ingredients which are traditional in Panchamrit. Usually these are the only ones added. Now we'll put some Tulsi. Couple of leaves, you just break them with a hand and stir them into the Panchamrit. Give a little stir and then Panchamrit is ready for the puja. Here we go. So make this Panchamrit along with your other Prashad. It is said that any Prashad you offer to Kanaji, you have to place a Tulsi leaf on it. It's a must. I'll soon be posting many Prashad recipes for Kanaji in my upcoming videos. So friends, hope you liked the recipe of Panchamrit. I'm sure you all must be making the same way too. So, happy Krishna Janmashtami in advance to all of you. Those of you who are new to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you are notified about all the new uploads. Check out these videos from my archives. You might have missed out some, so you can watch them now. Have a nice day. See you soon with another recipe.